Hello friends, hope you all are doing great and are staying safe. In this video, we'll be seeing the recipe for chicken malai tikka. These are soft, juicy kebabs on skewers, and when dipped in mint chutney and hat, they just melt in your mouth. It's a very simple recipe and we wouldn't need an oven or a tandoor setup to make these. Instead, you can make these in easily available utensils in your kitchen. For those of you who are vegetarians, please replace the chicken with paneer or tofu and follow the same recipe. So let's quickly go ahead and check out what are the ingredients required for the marination. Firstly, into a mixing bowl, add in half a cup of hung curd. Next, add in 2 heaped tablespoons of fresh cream. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, and then add in crushed green chilies. Again, as per your preference, I have used here 4 green chilies. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander. Mix all this until well combined and then add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. This acts as a binding agent, and then mix again. So our marinade is ready. I have here 500 grams of chicken breast, which I've cut into thin strips. You may even cut them into small cubes. We'll go ahead and add these chicken pieces into the marinade and mix it well until well combined. Now, if you could allow this to marinate overnight, great. Else, give it at least an hour's time. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the mint chutney. These are all the ingredients required for the mint chutney. Simply add them all into a blender along with a tablespoon of lemon juice, salt as per taste, olive oil 1 tablespoon and water about 1 tablespoon, and blend this. So there you go. Your mint chutney is ready. I have here some bell pepper and onions which I have diced. And here I have my wooden skewers which I have soaked in water for a couple of hours. By doing so, we ensure the skewers don't burn while grilling. Now let's start inserting the chicken pieces into the skewer by alternating it with the bell pepper and onions. This is completely optional. You may use the bell pepper or you may skip. The bell peppers just give an extra crunch, so do try including them. Here I have a grill pan which is heating. Let's go ahead and add in some oil. Next, I'm placing the skewers. Do not overcrowd. Rotate the skewers so that the chicken is cooked uniformly. It might take about 10 to 15 minutes for the chicken to get cooked completely. Now, in case you don't have a grill pan, you can make this on a regular pan as well. The tikkas turn out equally good when made on a pan as well, as you see here in this video. Now, in case you don't have skewers, you can simply add the marinated chicken into a pan and cook until done. So our super delicious chicken malai tikka is ready to be served. There are many ways to serve it. You can have it as such with the green chutney, or you can have it as a wrap. Just place the tikkas on a chapati or a tortilla and top it with some sliced onions, lettuce and green chutney, or you can serve it with steaming white rice. Or to complete the meal, pair the tikkas with some dal, homemade tandoori rotis or naans. The recipe for the naan is already there in my channel. I will leave a link for the same in the description box. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video of mine as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your family. So if you like my video, please do click on that like button, and if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without hitting on that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to stay updated of all the new videos which I post here. Until I see you all the next time, eat healthy, eat homemade, and most importantly, stay positive. Take care. Bye-bye.